Get a feel for the 2022 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Check out this HR-V. It's the small SUV that packs clever cargo solutions, agile handling, advanced safety technology, and impressive fuel efficiency, all wrapped up in fresh, bold style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control. There's so much to love about this practical, agile Honda HR-V. Experience it for yourself. Take a test drive today.